Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga for today's vlog. Pampanga goes out of town and nandito po tayo sa Tarlac, Greenhills Campsite. And this vlog is brought to us by Wash Autority. So salamat po Wash Autority for being partnered with us or sponsoring these kinds of vlogs. Bilibid po kami all throughout Pampanga as well as Tarlac as well as mga iba-iba pang mga pinupuntahan dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. And one of this is this site. So thank you so much Wash Authority. Guys, if you want to know more about this, look at the campsite. Ayan o. So we're gonna go camping. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Say Breathtaking! Are you having fun? Oh, thumbs up! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! So set up tayo ng tent over here. So this is the proper area for the tents facing yung arayat natin dyan. Okay, so let's go down. Okay. What is up, guys? You having fun? Huh? Daisy. Good job, ma. This is the view deck dito po sa Greenhills Campsite, and if you notice, ayun yung Mount Arayat natin, and then farthest left side, ito yung parang Voice of America, VOA. Ito yun yung mga tower na yan. So ito yung view deck natin, ayan. Dito sa baba on its first level, dito yung camping area. The entire property is around half hectare. Hindi naman po siya ganun kalaki. Kaya if you go here for camping, almost intimate pa rin siya. Kasi hindi ganun kalaki hindi ganun karami yung mga accept nila dito na mag-glamping, di ba? There is a little trail. Paikot siya. So tara, baba tayo. Tingnan natin.
In Pampanga.
Good job. Here's my kid. Hi, Luis. Hi, Luis. Say hi to the camera muna.
Hello.
Sabi. Hi, my name is Luis.
I'm always fine. It's the boys here.
For
the audience.
Okay.
Hat.
Oh, may band-aid ka?
Yeah.
Sabi mo, where?
Where?
In Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Cheer up. Cheer up. Nandito naman tayo sa baba. And yan, so may CR tayo dito in case, nature calls. Pwede yan. And then meron tayong konting trail dito going to the bridge. And then meron tayong duyan. Can you see it? Over there. Okay. So, ang pinaka amenity dito actually is yung kanilang glamping. So, you set up your tent, stargazing. So plus na yung of course, nasa nature ka. And then this small bridge right here. So this looks like a nice spot to thank our sponsor. So we'd like to thank Wash Authority for sponsoring these kinds of videos sa Pampanga. They are a nano ceramic coating service sa San Fernando, Pampanga po. They are one of the most affordable and at the same time quality. Super quality po yung mga services na ginagawa nila. You can check out their fan page. Actually, yung mga nagpa-service po sa kanila, they really recommend it. So what they do is they apply certain chemical called a nano ceramic coating, and what it does sa sasakyan natin, it retains yung look and feel niya at the time na ceramic coating yung sasakyan natin. So it's gonna be scratch resistant, water resistant as well, and then lastly it's gonna be heat resistant. So yung lalo-lalo ang init, actually parang init ngayon, no? And daling masira ng painting ng sasakyan natin. If you wanna retain yung look and feel ng sasakyan natin, go to Wash Authority, go check out their service. And once again, thank you so much Wash Authority. About the place, I think it's a great spot or a place for cardio workout kasi you're going up, you're going down, you're going up, you're going down. So talagang you're gonna burn up those extra fat, sabi nga nila. And yeah, go check out Greenhills Campsite. We're gonna include all the details below because they are only accepting yung mga pumupunta dito that are advised or booked. Parang mga ganyan. Whoa, that was really tiring, guys. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Thanks so much Wash Autority for sponsoring this vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out this place. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.